I was young, just a little lad. I worked on the rails with my dad. We had many ails and lots of pain, but look at what the country had to gain. Wonder how we passed the time? We sang, told stories about our trials and our glories. What a day in May on the 10th of 1869. We laid the golden spike to complete the line. Western, Central, Union Pacific. The conditions for the workers were horrific.
Sometimes we laid 10 miles a day. Others there were mountains in our way. There was a guy named Mike who laid the golden spike. Transcontinental Railroad linked the east to the west. Of course we built it to be the best. Most of the workers were Irish and Chinese, underpaid by all the companies.
What a day in May on the 10th of 1869. We laid the golden spike to complete the line. Western, Central, Union Pacific. The conditions for workers were horrific. Lots of rail was laid, but the workers hardly ever got paid. They had to work all day in the blistering sun. There was never any shade,
Never any fun. They wanted to quit, but they had to get it done. They lost many loved ones in the process of it all. Diseases, infections, they all took a fall.
What a day in May on the 10th of 1869. We laid the golden spike to complete the line. Western, Central, Union Pacific. The conditions for the workers were horrific.
What a day. Yo, bro, I need that. Turn it up.
Just a little lad, I worked on the rails with my dad. We had lots of pain and lots of ails, but